Hi everyone, myself Ritesh Bishit and I am from district Mandi, Himachal Pradesh. I have done my MBA from Himachal Pradesh University, Shimla. Apart from that, about my graduation, I have done my B.Tech in mechanical from Chitkara University, Rajpura campus. I come to know about ThinkNEXT from one of my friend who is doing a course in business analytics from ThinkNEXT. So apart from that, when I come to ThinkNEXT and they arrange a demo session for me, and the demo session was very good. So yeah, after that I have to take the decision and I take admission in ThinkNEXT in business analytics course. So it was a 3-month course and my trainer was Manpreet Kaur ma'am. She is a very professional and she is had a very good with her subjects. So she from Manpreet ma'am I come to know about Python, some of the data analytics tools like SQL, Panda. So overall it was a very good experience. Everyone is so experienced here. So during the course of 3 months, they also helped me in the preparation of the interview, and they arranged so many interviews for me. And finally, I got placed one of the company, that is Tekki Web Solution in Ludhiana, and currently I'm working as a business analyst profile there. So overall experience was very good. They are everyone is so experienced over here, and if anyone want to do any course from the ThinkNEXT Technology Private Limited, I should recommend they should enroll here. Thank you so much.